Hey kids, welcome to Doodle with Fathima. Let's draw a delicious apple today. Let's get started. Use an object to make a circle. Draw the upper shape of the apple. Erase the upper circle and draw the stem and the leaf. Now outline the drawing with a black pen. Let's start coloring. Let's color the apple with red color. Now let's color it brown and green. Yay! My delicious apple is ready. Now you know how to draw and color an apple. See you in my next video. Thank you and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification icon so that you don't miss my future updates. Bye bye.